Welcome to the project demonstration of fault classification in vehicles while power transmission. So nothing much, whenever the vehicle like transmitting the power to the gearbox or engine, then we are going to getting the inputs like acoustics and vibrations, and if is there any leakage of oil, engine oil. So these are the faults. We are going to identify them and matching the so-called data with our machine learning database, and then parallelly we are going to inform to the user through the LCD as well as blink app notifications about the vehicle conditions. So here we are going to identify the acoustics from this sensor, sound sensor, and oil leakage from this conductivity sensor, and vibrations from this vibration sensor, and also vehicle location with the help of this GPS. So while we demonstrating this project, we should place this kit under the sky view. This is very important. Then only we can get the latitude, longitude values, valid locations, and that will be fed to our blink app. And so these all sensors are interfaced to the PIC microcontroller. Why? Because these are providing some analog data. So the Raspberry Pi can't understanding the analog voltage formation. That's why we are going to converting that analog data into digital formation. Nothing but serial conversion, analog to serial conversion. And inbuilt we have the analog to digital converter. So the microcontroller will convert the analog to digital, and then it will converting into the serial format, so making the all sensors data in serial and providing the particular data to our Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi will analyze the data and will provide us the vehicle condition along with blink notifications. So before switching on this kit, and also we are going to monitor the temperature from this DS18B20, which is a 5-2C protocol based temperature sensor. And before switching on this kit, go to hotspots, switch on the hotspot with name of project 4640, and then switch on the kit, and then we will get the vehicle classification welcome message on the LCD screen, and also the location by initially is 0, so it will take some time, maybe depending on the cloudy and the sky vision, the GPS will take time to get the present location values. And then right, so we need to enable the hotspot along with data, and after we switch on this kit, we can see the one device is connected in your phone. Right, one device is connected, and now go to the blink app and log into the blink app from the given credentials. Right, location got switched on. Right, so if the device is online, then we can see the, so now it is showing the 00. Right, so meanwhile we can get the vibrations. If the vibrations are made on the sensor, we can see the vibrations 37 per second. The same data will be displayed on the our LCD screen. And also coming to the temperature, and if is there any leakage occurred. So we place anything, oil or any conducting material, so the light will be on. We can change this, right, we can get the alerts on your phone, so like leakage occurred. And from this potentiometer we can change the conductivity percentage also. So like if you want to demonstrate that with real-time oil, if we need to increase the sensitivity, now it is coming to the normal position. So it will take some time to get the GPS present location values. So like previously, if we get the valid location latitude and values, based on that values, particular map will be lead to the our current position along with this vehicle name. So when you said that's the vibrations, it will be increased, and the temperature as well as acoustics from the sensors will be monitored continuously on our blink app along with the notifications along with the vehicle condition. Right, thank you.